Hello and welcome to my new video. I hope you're all doing good. Today's going to be a quick project, what you can do when you have leftover resin, maybe as a gift or if you want to sell those pieces, you can make 1 or 2 bucks with it. If that sounds interesting, just tag along. So this video is about that little red tray, and I decided to put some temporary tattoos on there. But I decided for the second one here, and what's important is that you remove the foil from the front, because if you don't and you try to use it, you will adhere the tattoo to the foil, and then you probably can't use it anymore. So what I'm doing here is I'm cutting my design to shape, because it has like a direction that you have to put it in, and because I don't want to put it in crooked, I'm cutting the paper off so I will have some kind of a direction where I have to put my design. Now I'm putting it on there, just rubbing it really good onto the surface of that tray. And then I will take a wet cloth and moisten this backing paper so I can lift it off once the liquid has reached the temporary tattoo. And here I'm already trying out whether I can slide the paper off of the design. And here you can see it start to work. And just don't rub it really hard, because you can distort the design, and nobody really wants that. And if you can slide it off, just like pull a little bit on the backing paper and you will have the design right on top of the tray. And this is what it looks like. I really like that. Now I'm taking a dry cloth and taking the moisture off that's on top of the tattoo, just to make it dry a little quicker. Don't rub too hard on the tattoo, just dab the leftover liquid a little bit with that cloth. And like always, this wasn't enough, and I just took the this relief paste and dotting my points on there. You can take acrylic paint, dotting paint, pens, markers, whatever, to make a little bit more of a design on there. I took the relief paste because it leaves the dots a little bit raised, just like these pearl pens, and that adds to the depth of the whole piece. And if you make a mistake, don't worry about it, because as long as the paint is still wet, you can just wipe it off and start anew. So don't worry about it, and just, leave your imagination to go. I'm finished now, and this is what it looks like. I let the whole thing dry for another 24 hours, and then I put a top coat on it because, yeah, if you don't let it dry thoroughly, resin and water doesn't really mix together. So just be careful that you don't have water underneath your resin. Yeah, and this is it. This is the little project that I had for you today. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Leave me a comment whether or not you like this piece of art that I made here. And I hope I see you in my next video. And until then, take care. Bye-bye.